Hey guys, did you guys see that they just passed a new ban on abortion? Like how stupid is that?
I mean, I think that it's a good thing to be done.
No, we should have our we should have abortion. That should be okay.
Yeah, but there's so many
I'm
people that have just been like misusing it and just using it as an escape from their mistakes that they make.
Personally agree with Carly on that. I don't think that abortion should be legal. I'm very much pro-life, and I feel like the life of an actual human growing inside of you should be the most important thing. And I don't think that that's right, that you're basically killing your own child.
But it's not even a child at that point.
I think we should all have our options and own opinion on what we want to do.
But eventually it will become a child. I mean, I know people like to have that argument that yes, it's a fetus, but what will it eventually become? And what about okay, let's say we do call it a fetus. What about their opinion? What about their option as well?
Yeah, but it won't get to that point is what I'm saying. Like at the end of the day, it's your body, and if you yourself can't see yourself, going through with it, then that should be your choice.
Yeah, I don't agree with that.
Guys, I think we're getting to a point of like miscommunication. I was thinking maybe we can do something called a grounding exercise, where one person voices their opinion, and the other person against their opinion summarizes the person's opinion and then voices their own opinion. So I know that Carlisle and Tatiana, you guys were against abortion, correct? Or was that Carly and Tatiana?
I was against it.
Okay, yes. So then you guys can then you and you two will form into a group, and then Carlisle and Leica will form into another group. And then Carly will get to express to Carlisle how she feels about the abortion topic, and then Carlisle will summarize that and then voice her own opinion.
Okay.
Okay.
So Carly, you can begin whenever you want.
Sure. So personally for me, I feel that abortions allow a lot of people to just get rid of the things or the child that they accidentally have, or they're making a mistake and they don't get to accept their responsibility for it. And I don't think that it's fair for the child, because they are a human and everyone has rights. So the fetus shouldn't be able to just be killed because of their mother or the family deciding they don't want it.
Okay. And now Carlisle, if you want to summarize what she said.
So basically, Carly was saying how she feels people may abuse that power by getting rid of a child that may have been a mistake in their life. And she feels that the child isn't getting the voice that they would have by their parents killing them and not giving them that chance to live their life.
And how do you think that was that a good summary, Carly?
Yeah, I think Carlisle understood what I was saying and she listened.
Okay. And how do you think that Carly's statement, Carlisle, how do you think that made her feel?
I think she was very confident and powerful in speaking, and she really used her knowledge and felt that she has her own voice and wanted to be heard on her opinion.
Okay. And now, Carlisle, you're going to do the same thing to Carly, and then we're going to do the same thing that we just did.
So I feel that abortion should definitely be an option, because there are people out there who make mistakes and they may not want to live up to their mistake and, unfortunately abort their child, but that should be their opinion and there shouldn't be any law.
Yeah, so basically from what I got, what Carlisle was saying was that she thinks that it should be their choice and there shouldn't be any laws preventing anyone from getting an abortion, and that sometimes people do make mistakes and they shouldn't be forced to have to live with it, and it should be ultimately their choice. I think that she really felt strongly about what she was saying, and she seemed to be very educated about the information that she was sharing.